So you mean your husband is maltreating you? And you've been keeping quiet all this while?
So I've been thinking of what to do until I met you, honestly.
That will not happen, not when I'm still alive.
Okay.
Not when I'm still a barrister of this continent. Not when I'm still a barrister.
Look at him. This is him. This is Car.
Come, stop there. Come on, stop there.
You what?
Stop there. If you pee, I pee you. If you pee, I will pee you forever. Come down from that car.
Barrister, this is him. This is my husband. He's the man I've been telling you about. He doesn't even have my time. Ever since he married, this is years now. He doesn't have my time.
Come down. Mr. Man, do you know whom this woman is? And mind you have the right to remain silent, because whatever you say here now will be used against